Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's see 5 most important tips to concentrate in maths. Okay. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Okay. So today in this today's world, the concentration is very crucial, okay, when studying mathematics. Here are 5 tips to help to improve your concentration while studying maths. Okay, our first tip is eliminate the distractions. In today's generation, this is the main thing, that we have to eliminate the distractions. Okay, so we have to find a quiet and an organized space to study, where you can minimize the distractions, and try to turn off your phone or put it on a silent mode and close the unnecessary tabs. And having a dedicated study space helps your mind to associate that environment with focus and concentration. Okay. Now, let us move on to the next tip, that is break down the complex problem. See, everybody are not good at maths. Everybody's mind is not same. But but there is no stop for doing in maths. Okay, if we get any complex problems or large or the complicated maths problems can be overwhelming, okay, which maybe lead to the loss of concentration. So what is your duty now? To break down the problems into smaller, okay, or manageable parts. For example, see here, breaking down the larger task into manageable parts. First, you have to set some smaller goals, prioritize the tasks, use a task management tools, take a break. Okay, I'm just telling, giving you this example how to manage. Even you also in your mathematics, if you have any complex problem, if your mind is not working in that, what you're going to do, you should not end up by closing the book. You have to do it, but you have to do first break down the problems into smaller or more manageable parts. Focus on solving one part at a time, and once you complete each part, you can move on to the next. And by this will help you to prevent the mental fatigue and keeps your concentration sharp. And the main thing you should have is the patience. Patience is always a key to success. So when you have patience, you can do anything and everything. Okay, now, let's move on to the next topic, next tip, that is practice regularly. This is for anything. See, not only in maths, like any skills, maths also requires practice to improve. Set aside the regular study sessions for maths practice. Ideally, all ideally at same time each day, consistent practice helps in building the familiarity with mathematical concepts and enhance your ability to concentrate on the maths related tasks. Okay, start with an easier problem, or always start with an easier problem, and gradually increase the difficulty as you become more confident. Then only your concentration will improve. You will not get bored. Okay, the main thing in today's this is we are not practicing. Only one time we are doing and we are just moving forward. And you think that you will remember or you can do it. No, this is not maths. Maths is always you have to practice and you have to be consistent. Daily you have to practice. Then this is the third tip to concentrate in maths. Now the next tip is you have to use visual aids. Okay, see, nowadays we can see so many things in today's world. We are having so many types of graphs, so many types of charts, and so many this. But nowadays nobody is utilizing it. Have a good concentration, we have to try our best. Okay, so visualizing mathematical concepts can help you to understand and concentrate better. Okay, So what you have to do is you have to draw the diagrams, charts or graph to represent the problem visually. Okay. Now, visualization can make the abstract concepts more concrete and easier to grasp. Okay, thereby enhancing your focus and concentration. And then you can use the tools like what pens or highlighters can be also aid in organizing the information and drawing attention to the key points. Okay. Then the next tip is stay positive and persistent. See, always you have to be positive and you have to be patient in all work, not only in mathematics, to keep concentration within yourself. First, believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible. Okay. For that, firstly, you should have a positive attitude. Okay. Maintaining a positive attitude towards maths can significantly impact your concentration. Okay. And performance. Instead of getting discouraged by challenges or mistakes, view them as an opportunity. Okay. For learning and growth. And you have to think positive towards maths. This will increase your motivation and also active engagement in learning. This also leads to the higher achievement. Okay, then you should have a perseverance through difficulties, and positive informants boost the motivations. And though it is a small, celebrate your progress no matter how small it is. Okay, so these are the five tips to keep the concentration in maths. By implementing these tips, you can improve your ability to concentrate in maths and achieve better results in your mathematical endeavors. Remember that concentration is a skill that can be developed with practice and persistence. I hope you're clear with this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.